from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 4 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles south of Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 15 knots. Additional slow-moving strong to severe thunderstorms were located over Lake County, Illinois. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with these storms.
Star 105.5. Hey, Friday morning, a chance to join Joe and Tina and help out Marengo with the locally owned Singleton Family McDonald's.